Hey Carolyn, this is George over at Tameron Honda, reaching out to you about that Honda Accord you inquired on. We have that exact trim level, the Hybrid EX. Before I get into the vehicle, let me tell you what precautions we're taking here at Tameron to keep us safe, keep our customers safe during these times. We have a professional cleaning crew coming in every single night to disinfect the facility. We do the same thing when we get here in the mornings. Also, we're cleaning the cars in between test drives. We're offering at-home test drives, trade appraisals, and deliveries to minimize your time here in the dealership. So we're doing everything we can to make this as comfortable, convenient, and safe as possible while everything's going on right now. So get into your Honda Accord, you're going to have your Honda sensing package. This is going to include your adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, forward collision mitigation, braking, and road departure mitigation. All those systems work together to keep you and your family safe on the road, and also it keeps your insurance rates nice and low. So moving on with this Accord, you'll notice you got your premium alloy wheels, daytime LED running lights. You'll have walk-away auto lock feature, blind spot assist. You're also going to have steering wheel mounted controls in here, power driver seat, a sunroof. You're going to get about 48 miles to the gallon in this, and that's whether you're on the highway. And then in the city, you're going to get about 47. So you need to fill up this thing like every 2 weeks maybe, depending on how much you're driving. Reach out to me at 808-600-7191 so I can go over any other features that you may be interested in. I'd love to tell you all about it. One thing I can guarantee you though, Carolyn, when you get here to Tameron Honda, whether you come to see me or I come to see you, you're absolutely going to love the way you're treated.